Is it the right time to buy or sell SPY ETF? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into SPY. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, December 6, 2023. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 2, 2023, our system has identified SPY as a buy candidate with a score of 1.32. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. SPY has shown a positive gain of 5.59%. This means that, on average, it has delivered a daily return of 0.23% since it was labeled as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently in the upper part of a wide and weak rising trend in the short term. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the ETF breaks up at the top trend line at $459.89, it would indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the current 3-month trend, there is a potential 3.76% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -4.67% and 4.93%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a 15.96% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return between 6.46% and 17.26%. This translates to a price range of $484.15 to $533.25 after a year. Our latest update for the SPY ETF brings you the headline, Red Day on Wednesday for SPY. On Wednesday, December 6, 2023, the SPY ETF experienced a decline of -0.403%, with the price dropping from $456.60 to $454.76. This marks the third consecutive day of decline. Throughout the trading day, the ETF's price fluctuated by 1%, starting from a low of $454.31 and reaching a high of $458.83. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has shown both gains and losses, resulting in a net gain of 0.33%. It's worth noting that the decrease in volume along with the ETF is considered a positive sign, as volume should follow the ETF's movement. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by -3 million shares on the last day, while a total of 61 million shares were bought and sold, equating to approximately $27.70 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for the ETF was $459.65, while the lowest was $374.77. Currently, the price sits 1.06% below the 52-week high, with a difference of $4.89. Furthermore, it is 5.25% below the all-time high, which was reached on January 4, 2022, with a price of $479.98. Today, we'll be discussing the signals for the SPY ETF. The SPY ETF currently shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average, but simultaneously, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. As the short-term average is above the long-term average, this indicates a general buy signal for the ETF, suggesting a positive forecast for the stock. If the ETF continues to gain, it will face resistance from the short-term moving average around $456.13. Conversely, if it falls, it will find support from the long-term average at approximately $439.24. Breaking above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while breaking below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Some negative signals have also been observed, which could impact short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, December 1, 2023, resulting in a decline of -0.95%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is identified. Additionally, a sell signal is currently indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. The volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, reducing overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. On a positive note, the ETF had a golden star signal on Monday, March 27, 2023, in the long-term chart. A golden star signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line align in a rare and special combination. This combination often precedes extended periods of significant gains for the ETF in question. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, there is a sell signal. Pivots, a sell signal was observed 4 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal was observed 15 days ago. Short-term moving average, a sell signal was observed 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal was observed 25 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, a buy signal was observed 22 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see short moving average, a buy signal was observed 25 days ago. The long-term moving average, a buy signal was observed 19 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, a buy signal was observed 8 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's talk about the support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. When it comes to support levels, the ETF has some important ones to watch out for. Just below today's level, we have accumulated volume support at $429.54 and $426.43. Testing a support level always carries some inherent risk, as a break below it could lead to the ETF falling to the next support level. In this case, if the $429.54 support is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $426.43 and $412.55. Fortunately, SPY tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered very low in this stock. Looking at the past day's performance, the ETF had a price range of $4.52 between its high and low, representing a 1% fluctuation. Over the last week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 0.88%. Today, we'll be discussing some important day trading levels for SPY. If the market shows an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $456.24. If you're considering entering a position and don't own any shares yet, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a potential level for swing trading. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $429.54. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. Today, we'll discuss our recommended stop-loss level for this ETF, which is set at $436.47, representing a decrease of 4.02%. This particular ETF showcases minimal daily fluctuations, thus minimizing the associated risks. Moreover, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 3 days ago. Is SPY ETF a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive short-term signals and a generally good trend, indicating a potential buying opportunity for SPY ETF. Furthermore, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued, considering the volatility and movements observed during the last trading day. Looking ahead to Thursday, December 7th, we anticipate that SPY will open up $1.21 and begin trading at $455.97. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. Always consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be your sole basis for investment choices. By using this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Now let's take a look at the current state of the stock. We value your opinion, so please let us know if you agree or disagree by leaving a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Also, what is your target for the ETF? Share it with us in the comments. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. We genuinely hope you have a successful trading experience, and we wish you a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.